and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to edit picture size in Microsoft Word. So first open your Word document, then go to the Insert tab, and here click on Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures to insert an online picture. I will insert a picture from my computer. Just click on Pictures and select the picture you want to add and click on Insert. Now go to Format under Picture Tools, and here you can change the height and the width of your picture, or you can change the size by dragging these points here, and you can also stretch the picture by dragging the side points. The other option is to click on this icon here, and now you can check or uncheck the log aspect ratio relative to original picture size.
You can change the height and the width, and you can click on Reset to reset the changes. Then click on OK. Or you can right-click on the picture and select Format Picture from the drop-down menu. And here go to the Picture tab. Then crop, and you can change the width and the height of the picture, the offset, and you can change the crop position. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.